Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, first up, we just spoke about FosRich Company Limited early this week in Business Live, talking about their dividend consideration. Well, they've come up with a further advisory here that the board meeting, which was for October 26, 2021, it's been rescheduled or postponed. Now, the board of directors are actually going to meet instead of October 26th or yesterday to consider a dividend to be paid sometime later this year. They're actually going to be meeting on October 29th, 2021. Now, KLE Group Limited here posting a revised notice of their annual general meeting or AGM. Now, what's interesting about the post is the AGM, of course, is still on for November and so forth. But what's interesting about this is that it now contains notices of annual general meetings or AGMs with title documents for, not only, let's say, just this year, but also 2019, 2020, 2021. Now, next up is Equityline Mortgage Investment Corporation, registering a profit here, a very small profit, but a big turn of events, much more positive here as compared to last year, 2020. Now, these are the Q2 numbers, 2021 to June 30th, 2021, and these are in Canadian dollars. We don't think there's any other company on the JSE that has numbers like this in Canadian currency. It's mostly Jamaican currency, of course, and some in US dollar currency. So we're talking about here, small numbers, small profitability here. June 30th, 2021, about Canadian $12,000, versus a loss in the previous year. Now, the key changes that were made compared to 2020, actually a degree of improved revenue, with mortgage interest income jumping 36% for the 6 months to Canadian 663,000. So big jump in mortgage interest income. Now, Eppley Caribbean Property Fund Limited here, updated NAV, that's the net asset value. A little bit flatline here for the last couple of weeks or month or so, trading in Bayesian currency here, and this is a value fund, real estate deals here. Now, this is the NAV as at October 22nd, 2021. Updated as at that date. We're talking about Barbadian dollars here, 70 cents per share, and that's the NAV. Don't mix it up with the market price. Eppley continues to do big things in the marketplace with the different, whether it's products, different companies, and so forth. Now, last up, a drink we all love, distributed by Wisynco in Jamaica, part of the Coca-Cola family. So Coke actually hiked its annual outlook here on the back of strong third quarter earnings, beating analyst estimates. That's what we like to see. Now, revenue from outlets or streams such as restaurants, cinemas, all rebounding, doing better, beating the third quarter estimates. Earnings per share, 65 cents US versus 58 cents. Nice results. Expected as well, revenue at 10.04 billion versus 9.75 billion US. So net income from 1.7 billion US from 2.5 billion US. All their alternative drinks, their fun drinks, really doing significant growth, double-digit growth. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.